Today we're talking about how to market a house cleaning business. Hi, I'm Gary Horton with Find Life Marketing. In this video, I lay out a marketing strategy you can use to promote a house cleaning business. First, I cover the basics, then I show you how to automate your marketing so it runs with very little effort on your part. Because we're surrounded by dazzling technology, it's easy to forget that the best marketing is the old-fashioned, tried and true word-of-mouth marketing. To make the most of word-of-mouth marketing is easy. Just be transparent, likable, and trustworthy, because people do business with people they know, like, and trust. Once people get to know you, like you, and trust you, they do more than just hire you. They recommend you to others who then recommend you to still more people, and your business grows. It begins with a website and a Google business profile. These are the foundation of your marketing strategy. A Google business profile is free. Google also offers a website for free too. If you don't already have a website and a Google business profile, you can get them both through the links in the description below this video. It's important to ask customers to write a review of your business because reviews are your online reputation. Remember to reply to reviews too. To reply to a good review, you can write something like, "Thanks for the terrific review. It was a pleasure to clean your home." Bad reviews can be expected and may improve the credibility of your business because they make your overall ratings more realistic and believable. If you get a bad review, reply with something like, "I'm sorry you were not pleased with our cleaning service. I'll call you to see what we can do to make things right." It's important to show that you take care of your customers, even the ones who leave bad reviews. Also, remember to be kind when you respond to a review. When you show kindness, people naturally like you, and that helps your word-of-mouth advertising. Answering the phone is essential. If no one answers the phone when someone calls your business, it's doubtful they will call again. This can be a significant challenge for small businesses. Fortunately, there's software that connects with a prospect if you can't answer the phone. More about that in a minute. Once you have a Google business profile and a website, it's time to advertise your business. There are dozens of places to advertise, but most are not suitable for promoting a house cleaning business. There are two types of places you can promote your business. Let's call these two types of advertising Billboard Advertising and as-needed advertising. Billboard Advertising includes billboards, of course, but it also includes local radio spots, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Pinterest. Because people stumble across these ads while they're doing other things, these advertising platforms act like billboards, the same billboards you drive past every day. These platforms don't work for house cleaning service businesses. Here's why. When people need their house cleaned, they don't drive around hoping to find a billboard promoting a house cleaning service. Likewise, they don't search Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, or Pinterest, hoping to stumble across an ad for a house cleaning service either. When people need their home cleaned, they search Google for a house cleaning business that can help them. Google is the best advertising platform for a house cleaning service. Google search ads puts your business in front of people at the very moment they need your service. And they can call you directly because your phone number is in the ad. When they call, you have an exclusive one-on-one opportunity with the caller. You can build rapport with the caller and get the job. Here's how Find Life Marketing can help you. At Find Life Marketing, we specialize in managing Google search ads for service companies like your house cleaning business. Plus, our special software is designed specifically to help you. It makes communicating with prospective customers easy and seamless. If you're busy and can't answer the phone, our software sends a message to the caller, letting them know you are available to help them. Then with just a click, they can call you back. Our software also makes asking for reviews and replying to reviews as easy as clicking a button on your phone. You can do it from anywhere and it only takes a second. With our software, prospects can send a text message from your website to your phone, making it easy for them to become customers. If you'd like to try our software for free, or if you're interested in how Find Life Marketing can use Google search ads to bring new customers to your business, send us an email. Our contact information is in the description below this video. At Find Life Marketing, our business is to make your business more successful, to help you earn more in less time with less effort and less stress. We understand that you're in business to create a better life for yourself and for the people you love. That's why we named our company Find Life.